Let's get to breaking news that's coming in. Pakistan has issued another notification on air and sea traffic, adds naval missile gun firing in the upper reaches of the Arabian Sea to its ongoing naval drills. Air routes near Sonmiani missile test range also unavailable. So more air drills, more sea drills being done by Pakistan. An attempt essentially to muscle flex, an attempt to send out a message to India because they're so scared. They're wondering where a strike from India will come. So they're attempting all of this muscle flexing, not knowing where India will strike. Shivani Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Shivani, along the border, Pakistan is beefing up its presence. You're seeing air drills, sea drills, what not taking place?
Akshita, as Pakistan has been saying itself that it anticipates a major military action from India because it is itself guilty of the terror attack that happened in Pahalgam. And since then, it has been crying each day in press conferences and statements. And now it is actually trying to pose a fake posture of these NOTAMs that it has been issuing since last few days. And this fresh NOTAM has again been issued by Pakistan. This is also for the naval as well as the aerial drills. And we know that these declarations have been a number of times fake because they're on ground. There has been no exercise for similar notifications that were being issued by Pakistan. So this is just a fake posturing, a fake narrative setting, war hysteria crying, and showing the world that it is waiting, or it is waiting for help, and it is expecting a major war or a major action from India. So this is the kind of posturing which Pakistan is now putting forth, and it is involved in the in the Pahalgam's terror attack, and that's what now it is acknowledging in this kind of statements and notification it has been issuing. Akshita.
Okay. Shivani, just stay on with us for more details really on how Pakistan is now in desperation going ahead with all of these drills. And let's really talk about the Navy drills that have been happening. You've got both India and Pakistan conducting simultaneous naval drills off the Gujarat coast, approximately 85 nautical miles away from each other. India has issued 4 notifications for naval firing exercises in the Arabian Sea. Pakistan, meanwhile, issued the 4th notification for naval firing in the last 1 week, but hasn't carried out firing till now. In recent days, Indian Navy ships have conducted multiple anti-ship missile firings in the Arabian Sea as part of ongoing naval exercises. According to sources, India is closely monitoring the situation. Both nations' naval forces remain on high alert as accusations, denials over Pakistan's role in the Pahalgam attack intensify. Prime Minister Modi has given complete operational freedom to our forces to decide on the mode, targets and timing of India's response to the Pahalgam terror attack. And that's got Pakistan even more panicked. Let's bring in Shivani Sharma once again for more details on this. Shivani, you know, that graphic that we're putting out right now explains how close really the naval drills are of India and of Pakistan. And interestingly, while Pakistan has in fact been talking about firing, there's been no firing that's actually happened.
Yes, Akshita, and that's actually a laughable state of Pakistan. You know, the kind of NOTAMs it has been issuing, they show that the positioning of these NOTAMs by the Pakistani Navy has been very close to the Indian Navy's NOTAMs. And in fact, they have been eyeball to eyeball situation kind of positioning. But on ground, we have not seen a single drill by the Pakistan's Navy, though the Indian Navy has been conducting a number of demonstrations, including the BrahMos long-range firing, and of which we have evidence in terms of the videos that the Indian Navy has been releasing. And these exercises have been happening from a number of assets of the Indian Navy, the warships. And remember, the first day, 23rd of April itself, there was a successful missile launch by the Indian Navy that had happened from INS Surat, and thereafter there have been multiple exercises that go on. But Indian Navy, Indian Air Force and the Indian Army have been preparing, and they are prepared for any kind of action that they need to take against the terror state Pakistan. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2 CCS meetings has also authorized the forces to do what they want to do against this terror state.
All right. Thanks very much, Shivani, for joining us with all of those details.